Good morning, guys. Today I'm gonna make cheese and luncheon meat roll. So I use this luncheon meat, guys, so there's nothing in it already, so I slice it thinly like this. And then we need this one, the lumpia wrapper here, this one, and then cheese. We're gonna roll this one like this, and then like that. Earlier, that one is big because I sliced the meat thicker. But now I slice it thinly. Okay. Okay, so that one is thin already, not like earlier. That's why it's big. Okay. Oh. Guys, okay. Okay, guys, we can do like that first, or it's the same. Okay. Okay, oh, it's very beautiful. So I use mozzarella cheese, guys, because I have mozzarella. But if you do not have mozzarella, you can use any kind of cheese. Okay. That's our luncheon meat cheese lumpia is done. So I'm gonna fry this one. Okay. So look at that one. Oh, it's already gone, the cheese. Oh, sorry. Okay, guys, so it's done, guys. So it's tasting time. So that's our luncheon meat cheese rolls. Okay, so I will try to see which one is not super hot anymore. It's still all hot, so I just taste this one. Okay, so maybe this one. Okay. Oh, it's super hot, guys. So I need wait a second. I'm gonna taste this one. Okay. The cheese. It's melted already. It's melted, guys. Cheese and then the luncheon meat. It's a perfect combination. It's super yummy. Guys, the luncheon meat and cheese rolls is super yummy. Okay, look at that one. So thank you for watching and see you tomorrow for another recipe. Bye bye.